This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the device has enough power and you can focus. Distractions cause mistakes. Once ready, open settings and go straight to security or lock screen. Do not wander. Choose passcode and decide on the format. Simple 4-digit, 6-digit, or a custom alphanumeric passcode for stronger protection. Make sure you can type it from muscle memory. Write it temporarily in a secure place only if needed, then erase. This gets you into the first actionable setup step quickly. You now enter your chosen passcode carefully. Type deliberately to avoid errors. Once done, the system asks you to confirm. Retype the code exactly, because mismatches lock the setup flow and waste time. Make sure to use varied characters if you chose alphanumeric. This increases security. After confirmation, review supplementary settings. Set auto-lock interval and enable biometric unlocks only after verifying they accept your passcode fallback. These steps ensure the code works. You finish by locking the screen and testing the unlock sequence several times. Observe delays, keyboard lag, or failed attempts. Once satisfied, add a recovery method. Link an account, set a backup PIN, or keep a secure note in a password manager. This prevents total lockout. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Try the recovery option first. If still locked out, follow the device-specific reset procedure, which may erase data, so always keep backups before aggressive recovery attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.